Why is it that your soft baby lips have turned dark with time? And no matter how many home remedies you try, it feels like nothing can bring back that rosy lips. Isn't it frustrating? Hi everyone, I am Dr. Shobita, a cosmetic dermatologist with many years of experience in treating skin diseases. I will share you how can you make your lips rosy, pink and soft. Let's start by understanding that what gives our lips that lovely pink color. You see, the skin on our lips has less melanin pigment and more blood vessels, which creates that adorable pink color. However, when our lips has large number of melanin pigment, then our lips become hyperpigmented and dull. But what causes hyperpigmentation? One major reason for hyperpigmentation is vitamin B12 deficiency. So, load on with milk products like paneer, curd, milk, along with green leafy vegetables like spinach to give your lips the right dose for vitamin B12. Next comes the dehydration. When our lips lack proper hydration, they lose their color. Make sure that your lips are proper moisturized. Use a lip balm rich in vitamin E. Hormonal changes during pregnancy or menopause can also lead to lip pigmentation. In that case, you should consult your doctor and get a proper medication. Also, don't forget the sun. Overexposure with the direct rays can cause hyperpigmentation, so it is important to protect your lips from a lip balm which contains SPF. Yes, of course, your skin definitely needs sun protection. Another huge mistake, using expired makeup products, lipsticks and toothpaste that can further cause allergic reaction and can lead to pigmentation of the lips. So don't forget to check the expiry dates of your products and choose high quality products. Now that you are aware of potential causes that can cause pigmentation and darkening of lips, ensure you are mindful for the same. But what to do to reverse the dark lips? Start exfoliating your lips once weekly with a very gentle scrub. This will help reduce your dead cells and reveal fresh pink lips underneath. After cleansing, apply natural oils like coconut oil or olive oil to remove the lipstick. Don't forget to apply lip balm, which is rich in vitamin E and shea butter that will help your lips moisturize and keep it nourished. Switch to anti-pigmentation actives like retinol, vitamin C or kojic acid in your night skincare routine with the advice of your dermatologist. These ingredients help reduce melanin pigmentation and promote lighter skin or lip tone. Remember, if your lips are dark genetically or since birth, then you might not get desired results. But don't worry, because the color of your lips doesn't define your beauty. You are beautiful just the way you are. So follow the good skincare routine. Give your lips love and that nourishment it requires. Or if you have any specific question or specific concern, then don't hesitate to take advice from your dermatologist who can guide you with a personalized solution for this delicate and sensitive part of your face. And before you go, I would like to hear from you your lip care routine in the comment section below. Stay tuned for more expert tips and solutions for your all skin type and hair issues in my upcoming video. Until then, take care and keep those lips smiling.